This is the other elevator. This one's in the interior, and I just found out it's called the Tiki building at the Lido Beach Resort in Lido Key, Sarasota, Florida. There's this like ceiling fan that's weird looking when it's turned off. Yeah, this was definitely general, but it got the same mounted by Dynamic Elevator. This one's a side COB, that's interesting. Up to 4, here you go. This one's actually a little more interesting than the other one. Number 5, I think there's some more elevators.
Second floor.
In the tower. I don't know why they're dog.
Third floor.
Oh, that's a speaker and that's very strange.
Fourth floor.
Here, 4, I think the voice in this was even louder than the other one. I thought the other one was low but annoying enough. Up here it's outside. Do I go back down to 1?
Going down.
Oh, door close when you press the button. Might be on Pixel. It's a certificate. It's a basic, nice redone cab. It's the other one's like bare stainless steel. This one's a little nicer. LED spot lighting.
Second floor. First floor.
You're back at 1.